Today I'm going to show you how to make a juice out of this banana blossom. So basically I'm going to make a salad out of it. So as you can see, I'm peeling the outer layers, and you see some flowers that didn't make in the making of bananas. So the best way is to cut it this way, and then we just peel off the outer layers until you get to the core. Put some more. All these layers that still have purple color, it's not really edible. When you get to this yellowish white, it's more edible. So I'll cut it in half. Maybe easier this way, like that. This kind of turned brown because it has been in the refrigerator for a while, so but it's okay. So you need to cut out the core right here. Usually we don't eat that. And then everything else is pretty much edible. What you might also want to do is to have a bowl of water, and you need to put a little bit of vinegar and also a little bit of salt. Any kind of vinegar is fine. I'm just using whatever I have. This is rice vinegar. The reason is just to prevent it from getting brown, but as you can see, the core is kind of brown already for whatever the reason. It might be just because it was in the refrigerator for a while. I'm going to do it a little bit differently because people normally just cut it across this way, and then you chop up all these flowers as well. So I'm not going to do with any of the flowers. I'm going to just put them in there, and I'm going to just get the layers, the outer layers here. Some people, they don't eat the flowers, but I'm going to use them anyway. They are edible. Mostly you just shred them or cut them in small pieces. Only this portion here, it may not be as good as this side. It's better if they're finer. Pretty much do the same thing with this one. This portion is really tough, so you don't really eat it. So you just need to strain them and get water out. I'm gonna let these drain out some water. So next thing I'm going to do is put some color to it. I'm going to put some carrots. If you have a shredder, probably it's easier, but it's just one small carrot, so I'm doing it this way. So I'm going to put some garlic. So I'm going to put everything together in a large bowl. So carrot, green onion also, just to give it some color. So green onion. We put one lime, depending on how you like it, you may need to put some more. And if you don't have a lime, you can put vinegar. Okay, so basically I'm putting 2 limes. Normally, people make this with chicken or pork. Chicken is more common. I got some shredded chicken. Basically, it's a rotisserie chicken from Costco, and we just have to shred it. We need to mix them up and add some fish sauce and some sugar. And then if you want it spicy, you just have to add some chili also. So I've got fish sauce. This is like concentrated fish sauce. It's good fish sauce. It's Red Boat. So it all depends on how you like it. I'm gonna put like 2 teaspoons full. A little bit of sugar, not too much, almost a teaspoonful. Gonna put some chili. Probably not too much, just about a teaspoonful. And then we just had to mix them up. So I went to the yard and I picked some katuk leaves. Katuk is well known in Southeast Asia, eaten by Vietnamese, Cambodian, Laos, and Thai people. Leaves are edible, but you want just the young leaves, okay? And it's pretty hard to describe the taste, but to me it has a little sweet taste to it. Some people describe the taste as being like nutty. So anyway, I'm gonna put some katuk leaves to give the dish some colors. So I only picked the very end, the younger leaves, not every single one of them, even though they pretty much edible. You probably had to chew longer. Alright, so now I got some green, some white, and some orange. We don't have enough lime, so I'm gonna add some rice vinegar to make it a little bit sour. Because this dish is supposed to be salty, sour, sweet, and spicy. I think this will do. There you have it, the final dish. This is banana blossom with chicken, katuk, and carrots. So before serving, you also need to add some Thai basil, if you have them. Also, some people add crushed roasted peanuts. I already added some to this dish, so it's not visible, but that's all the ingredients already went in there. Alright, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.